is this white powder on the ground? It's so beautiful. Snow? Oh, I see. How lovely. Wow. Are those Christmas lights you've mentioned? So pretty. And colorful. This planet surely holds some interesting events. Oh, holiday. What a cute word. Oh, how's the little bunny? What? It made a full recovery? Thank goodness. Is she going to take her back to the forest? In spring? Why? Oh, I see. Some animals in your planet sleep during the winter. How interesting. What do I want for Christmas? Perhaps that Switch game console I've seen before. Plus, I have found a few games that are compatible with it. What else? Maybe a cute blanket, too. Isn't that what you humans name the warm, heavy cloth on the couch? I knew it! Friend, may I ask you something? Does your family give you a gift as well? I see. Why did I ask? Oh, nothing. It's just... It must be nice to receive gifts from those you love. Whoa! What a pretty tree! Does your kind use these items and contraptions to decorate it? Ornaments? Oh, I see. Sounds amazing. What is it? Oh, I don't know what you're talking about. I was not upset at all. Well, I suppose us Aerobians have, how should I put this? Have different traditions than you humans do. Well, I'm not sure if I should tell you yet. no, it's not like I don't trust you. I do. I mean, it's just... Hmm? That woman... She had pink cloud. Forgive me. Did you say something? Right. Hmm. It's kind of difficult to explain to you what our traditions actually are. But I guess all I can say is, well, us Aerobians give gifts to each other as well. At least most of them do. Oh, I do not want you to be concerned about me. Let's just say that my family and I have a, bit of a... How do I put this in your words? Bit of a rocky relationship. It's gone. I don't understand. That woman has some kind of cloud over her head, but it's gone? Friend, did you just see that? There was a strange pink cloud above her head. What? You didn't see it? Only I can see it. How strange. Wait. Does this mean that... Oh, I'm sorry for yawning. Yes, I feel like I should probably get some rest. At least for a few hours. Let's see. You can drink warm milk? What a strange trick. I would love to try that. What exactly did the cloud look like? Well, it was... Oh, aside from my description? Well, aside from it being small and pink, it had these little stars above it. And I'm pretty sure I caught a little glimpse of some sort of dreamlike dimension above her head before the cloud disappeared. What is hallucination? Well, let me tell you, I was not hallucinating, as you put it. I swear, I saw that pink cloud right above that woman's head. Wait a second. Does that mean that my powers are... Oh, thank you. So I drink this and it'll make me sleepy? I have never tried milk before. Ah. Oh my. It did make me sleepy. That little drink of yours worked. I'm more sleepier than ever. Good night. Oh, I'm sorry. I should probably sleep in my room. I'm sorry. I should. Well, I suppose I'll see you when I'm awake from my nap, as it were.